From surfing to skydiving, shooting adventurous video requires the best action camera. From affordable models to premium options, we have extensively tested all the top action cameras. Number 1. GoPro HERO12 Black. This is the best action camera overall, a flagship action cam in every respect. The Pro HERO12 Black shoots impressively stable 5.3K video. New features unlocked, more dynamic range and audio flexibility. GoPro's updated flagship isn't a huge departure from the GoPro HERO11 Black, our previous top pick. It uses the same 1x1.9-inch sensor to shoot high-res 5.3K video with an 8:9 aspect ratio that's useful for exporting footage to feed different social channels. Low light remains an Achilles heel, but the addition of HDR video and GP log support gives our filmmakers the ability to capture greater dynamic range. Together with returning 10-bit color mode, we found the HERO12 Black capable of producing crisp, supremely smooth footage in bright condition. Besides a speckled casing, the physical design is pretty much identical. This means the HERO12 Black works with the same accessories as many previous GoPro models, with gaining a useful 1x4-inch thread mount for mini tripod. Number 2. Insta360 Ace Pro. A wide-angle warrior, the Insta360 Ace Pro is the first action camera to offer 8K video. That resolution will be overkill for many, as will the 48 megapixel stills it can produce and the high price tag it demands. But if you want rugged 8K recording, the Ace Pro is the way to go. Physically, our review found the Ace Pro nicely built. It heftier than its competitors, hitting the scales at 179.8 gram, which make it feel substantial in the hand. We also rate its flip-up display, which hangs at the top to deliver a selfie experience that's more responsive than GoPro and DJI rivals. Number 3. Insta360 One R 1-inch edition. A proven rival to GoPro's Hero series, the Insta360 One R can be equipped with a 1-inch sensor module. In our review, we found that this gives it a low light abilities which are brighter, cleaner and more detailed than its GoPro rival, plus a native dynamic range that's better than any other action camera. The raw stills are impressive while video are sharp and punchy in both 5.2K by 25 pixel and 4K by 60 pixel modes. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action 4. Like its predecessor, the Action 4 is designed to compete with the latest GoPro. To that end, it addresses the Action 3's main flaws with a larger 1x1.3-inch sensor. Still's resolution is lower at 10 megapixel, while video res remains the same at up to 4K by 120 pixel. The key difference is pixel size. From our test, the Action 4 is better at gathering light, further better result than the HERO12 Black in dim condition. The Action 4 also benefits from DJI's D-Log profile with 10-bit color. Based on our review, this dramatically enhances the color depth and dynamic range, capturing detailed highlights and cleaner shadows. The downside of the larger sensor and wide 155-degree lens is an increased minimum focus distance, making it harder to shoot up close. Number 5. GoPro Max. If you only want to record standard action camera footage at the best possible quality, the GoPro HERO12 Black is a better choice. But if you like the sound of being able to reframe videos after they have been shot in 360 degrees and you are looking for great audio quality, then the Max is well worth considering. GoPro's most expensive action camera uses two fisheye lenses to shoot spherical 5.6 video, which you can later crop into standard 2D video using overcapture software. We found that the 6 microphone setup records excellent audio, if not quite up to the level of GoPro's shotgun mic claims. Due to the need to convert it from a fisheye image and the maximum 1440 by 60 pixel resolution, it can't match standard rivals like GoPro HERO12 Black in low light situation either, but it remembered the best waterproof 360-degree action camera around.